day. I packed the gear and pulled away. Coffee rising in the morning there. Checking every battery with care. Tending cooler in the back. Everything loaded for the track. A quiet smile, a hopeful glance. Another trip, another chance. Every road keeps calling. Every sunrise feels brand new. But the best thing about the journey is the people riding through. We ride into the rising sun. Through every storm we're still as one. The ocean calls, the wild wind sings. These are the moments that life brings.
Bossing, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
A brotherhood that never
Ay! Oo, yo Ellie.
every year. TV Early morning keys in hand.
Wala ako.
Kahit ano
Wala nga ako sakay.
Kahit
Bakit?
ano lang gamit.
Ayoko na, nakalagay eh.
Ito lang pala dito.
Nag-grocery ng madaling araw.
Hindi, bili ako original. Okay na ta?
Matagal na, no?
Sweet lang?
Wala yung gamit.
Ah. Ito na lang?
We ride into the rising sun. Through every storm we're still as one. The ocean calls, the wild wind sings. These are the moments.
Welcome to Olongapo City!
The road may bend. A brotherhood. Every year. TP Trove always here. Yeah. Early morning keys in hand, loading drinks inside the van. Got the cooler, got the 10. Every dollar, every cent, worth it for the memories made. Worked it for the last we trade. No schedule, no race. Brothers finding their own space. Wind goes down, music loud, leaving all the noise behind. Looking for a little peace, the kind that's hard to find. One by one, the combo
Hello,
down.
Ryan.
Through a way
Hello,
of
Ryan.
magic, magic, kind of stuff. Never fade the highway stretch beyond the
Ay,
side.
bundok
Everything
ayun,
was killing right the Wilson bigger
Ayun
than
o.
Saan?
Diba ayun?
Hindi ko nga kita eh.
we ride into the rising sun. Through every storm we're
Pangit.
still as one. The
Mga
ocean
pangit.
calls, the wild wind sings. These are the moments that life brings. No matter where the road may bend. A brotherhood that never ends. Every mile and every year. TP Trove always here. Yeah.
Sir, sa Pine Lakes may reservation po kami. Bali 5 po, may 2 po kami inaantay.
Blue horizons breaking through. Wow, some use a smile. Pictures never really show what a moment makes you know. Sometimes all you really need is good friends and open seas. Zone goes up, the world gets wide. Ocean meeting sky outside. Every mile was worth the drive. Never felt so alive. Yes, go fast, that's the truth. But somehow we still hold on to the stories and the laughs long after the moment's gone. We ride into the rising sun. Through every storm we're still as one. The
Hindi ko alam kung positive to.
wind sings. These are the moments that life brings. No matter where the road may be. A brother ends through every mile and every year. TP Trove always here.
Nako pre, mababalaho ka. Umidiin. Si Tata Teban, iniwan ni Mako.
The waves roll softly to the shore, like they've done 1,000 times before. And when the next adventure calls, we'll answer like we always do.
Ito po yung champion. Gladiators po talaga to mga to. May mag-aaway. Ito laging first place to mag-asawa eh. Kasi laging may nakakalimutan to eh. Ito yung sa Luista. Kasi 15 kailangan. Mamaya pre, lalabas kayo martilyo pag tapos na kayo.
Martilyo, nawawala.
mahugot.
Pa ako ng tama.
Tayo ba na oning? Saan magtatayo oning? Dito na sa gilid. Dito sa harap? Ako na nga lang kapatid mo, hindi mo inaalagaan eh. Ako magpaalagaan siya, sinusumbat eh. Alaga. Nililino ko lang pre kung ako kukuha. Nandito.
Dapat ka rin na magdamay. Again, ha?
Kaso 101 yung i-adapt.
Baka mamaya may Galician Mars.
Thank you!
Pwede daw, tatanong ka, pwede daw.
Sana maggabi na para mabuksan ko na yung mga ilaw ko.
Hindi na ba? Wala ko yan eh. Kanin. Kaya kain kaya kanin? Oh.
Before the world could wake today, I packed the gear and pulled away. Coffee rising in the morning air, checking every battery with care. Tent and cooler in the back, everything loaded for the track. A quiet smile, a hopeful glance, another trip, another chance. Every road keeps calling, every sunrise feels brand new. But the best thing about the journey is the people riding through. We ride into the rising sun, through every storm we're still as one. The ocean calls, the wild wind sings. These are the moments that life brings. No matter where the road may bend, a brotherhood that never ends. Through every mile and every year, TP Trope always here.
Early morning, keys in hand, loading dreams inside the van.
Daddy! Hey, Dan! Say hello, Dan! Dan! Saan tayo pupunta? Saan? Saan?
Wow nga.
Saan ano? Patayin na. Ay, patayin na. Ba't mo binato? Papakita ko nga eh. Ayun. Ayun yung crab. Ayan. Ayan yung uwak. Hi!
Pakatay.
Tignan mo kasi. Lakas ng dagat, tas ang lakas ng alon. Lakas ng alon. Diyos ko. Umaambal!
Dali, picture ako kayo sa ship.
Marimar. Tignan nyo yung alon, guys. Ang laki. Tatlo yung mga barko. Ewan ko kung susugod. Walang dagat, napakalakas ng alon. Pero yung hapon, hindi na ganyan kalakas yung alon. Tara. Dan, say hello!
Hi, sabihin mo. Hi, vlog! Sabihin mo, dali kay Dan. Hi, vlog! Dali mo, sabihin mo. Hey, Dan!
Kuy Lance. Tutok mo pa.
Tutok mo pa.
Ano pangalan mga puno?
Ma'am, ito po, Talisay.
Ay,
Ayun,
Talisay.
pine.
Sino, sino pong may-ari na pwede natin bilhin yan? Yung buong dagat.
Si ano po yan, si Mr. Pakundo. Pakundo po.
Malalim ba yan tayo?
Laki. Malalim po ba yung parte na yan? Malalim?
Galit na galit yung dagat.
Bakit po? Hindi po
Hindi ba safe?
Ano pinaglalaban ng dagat?
Tourist pala si tatay.
Wala po.
Oh, wrong person. Wrong person. Kala ko nagtanong ka ng soft drinks kung ano. So may in-interview kami.
Hindi namin alam kung
Tourist
ano
din pala. Kala namin lokal.
Akala natin yun ang may-ari. Hindi pala.
Hindi pala.
Ayan na.
Wrong person. Ito, nakakita na po tayo ng mga lokal na delikado.
Naghahanap po kasi kami ng mag-ilog po.
Saan po ilog?
Namatakan po.
Siya po pala si Kara.
Ayan ang mga may ilog.
Kara, ibig sabihin po laging ganyan ang water dito? Ah, pero talagang kalmado lang siya. Ito na po ba yung pinag-aagawa na West Philippine Sea? Nag-i-interview kami. Tapos ito po si Doris. Ay, ang galing, no? Lokal kayo dito talaga. Ang ganda ng lugar nyo.
O, alam nyo na kung saan yung daan makuha.
Ayan na, nakita ko yung maps ni Kuya. Siya na kayo, maraming tanong yung kasama ko si reporter po yan ng Bulacan eh. Ang ganda ni ate, ah. Hi! Ah, pier ba yun? Ibig sabihin po, ilog yung kadugtong niyan.
Bakit po yung singkamas dito sobrang puti?
Ah, nilinis lang. Okay.
Ako yung discover. Ano pala yun? Kung pa nga yung first layer nung balat, tinatanggal.
Nung sumabog po ba pinatubo na ano kayo dito? Ash lang. Ito, di ba, lahar po ito. Pero kayo po, nangingisda kayo, hindi kayo maabot doon. Isla ba yun? Anong isla po yan?
Kapuni sa ilan sa Kamara.
Paano nakakapunta dito sa inyo? Sasakay sa inyo? Thank you po kuya sa info. Ang dahil namin natutunan.
Babay ka na kayo din.
Thank you po ate.
Thank you.
Ano yan? Let me see. Oh, big. Big like your nose.
Lagay mo dito. Tapong ko na.
Oh, the sky that keeps to rise. The road ahead reflects our eyes. Footsteps fade, camera light. Our story starts with morning light. Windows down, the rhythm flows. Every mile, story grows. Grace in the frame, our laughter shines. Kids in the back, singing lines. Clouds drift by, horizon wide. Feels like peace, feels like light. We got the world to see, and love's our energy. With a second familiar, riding free. Every road writes a memory. Life is good, it's pure and high. Out of valleys, a story in the sky. Golden glow on the mountainside. Every glance feels so alive. The rhythm hums beneath the beat. Every second feels complete. Grace takes a shot frame after frame. Simple joy, no.
Bukod sa pagiging kulat. Happy ka, Lansbin?
Higit mo sa sarili mo kasi na ano yung chinelas mo.
Sira.
Ano? Ay, Daddy, magbabonfire tayo di. Sarap kung dito tayo sa tapat ng eskwela.
Kuha tayong panggatong.
Halik ka na. At wala naman lumalabas.
Saan yung ilaw mo? Hindi natin makikita rito. Halika, buksan mo yung ilaw mo.
Ako ba kukuha? Ayun.
Oh, patay mo yung ilaw.
Bakit?
Makikita tayo.
Yung tinapay. Wow, peace. Chocolate.
Meron ka pa, pre?
Ano ba? Di ba Boston yun? Boston Terrier ba?
Camera.
Lalo mo na ako ilaw eh. Paano dapat may ilaw ako? Oh.
Lawan lang kita.
Craving solved na.
Hindi kainin ito. Kinakain na mo talaga yan.
Si Kaden.
Nagaya tayo tuloy.
Nagagalit si Kaden.
Iris!
Ito ka lang sa tabi ka.
Hipan mo pag natutulog. Hindi yung makuha nila.
Mami, apoy na!
Oh my God!
Sunog na.
Ay, nasunog! Diyos ko po. Ayun niya!
Lapit sa amin. I'm cooking sinain.
Ikaw ano dawa mo? Ha? Hoy. Hingi daddy? Sarap ba yan? Ano ba yan? Hi mo daw sila. Hi. Ano ba yung kakain mo?
Tajep, panji. Tajep. Tajep, pantamping ka.
Opo. Kumusta sa evacuation center?
Sarap po. Sarap po yung mga pagkain po. Salamat po, Mayor. Sa lagi niyo po masarap na binibigyan na po.
Subaybay.
Meron!
Shot ka na. Makakatulog ka na. Mamam na. Pumunta kami dun sa pasyalan. Hi, princess! Tanga. Ako, lalaki ka. Ay, anak ko. Pangalan. Sila na, ayan, tulad niya.
Ngayon, sino pinaka-pogi sa amin tatlo?
O, pogi na lang. Sino daw pinaka-pogi?
Ayaw mo lang siya.
Kasi mo, pagka yan, tumakbo na ng dire-diretso, hindi naman.
Paring mo, tawag ka. Lasing ka na raw ba?
Ay! Ay! Hindi pa! Ang mali mo, pre. Pag sinalin mo yan, dapat isang tabong tubig rin yan.
Kaya mo na, minsan lang tayo magkamali.
Sagot. Dali.
Ba't yung pinag-iisipan ko?
Ang tagal naman mag-isip.
Yung black.
Lahat ng birthday ni Daddy ay sa beach.
Di ba tatlong kulay?
Bakit
Gray.
kaya? Eh, bumabagyo.
Madaya dati. Pinakamadaya yan siya.
150 na?
Lahat sa amin.
Kulay lang.
Mga pinakamadaya.
Bukas, magano tayo ng drone.
Ang problema doon,
6, doon tayo sa
Kailangan
may
talaga.
tabing dagat.
Doon tayo
pag-akit
magano
mo doon,
sa chocolate.
dala mo lahat.
Yung ano,
kung 3
yung
days ka,
tinapay.
dala mo na yung
Tapos
pagkain.
ihaw mo
Pero may
muna yung
mabibili naman
marshmallows.
tayo. Si,
Ano mo
Eh,
sa
kaya lang,
tinapay?
frozen.
Ito. Jimmy, apa yan?
Bakit? Tara ba, islit ba?
Ito pa pala yung time mo. Ito to. Parang kayo.
Namahal mo.
Ano kalbo?
Si Tatay.
Alis sa'yo, magagalit mami mo.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Raining na naman.
Nawala yung alaga. Nawala.
Ang dumi mo. Yung itsura mo, mukha kang ano.
You mob, Spider-Man.
Oh, yeah. Before the world could wake today, I packed the gear and pulled away. Coffee rising in the morning air, checking every battery with care. Tending cooler in the back, everything loaded for the trap. A quiet smile, a hopeful glance, another trip and another chance. Every road keeps calling, every sunrise feels brand new. But the best thing about the journey is the people riding through. We riding to the rising sun, through every storm but still as one. The ocean calls, the wild wind sings. These are the moments that life brings. No matter where the road may bend, a brotherhood that never ends. Through every mile and every year, Pete Trapper always here.
Early morning, keys in hand, loading dreams inside the van. Got the cooler, got the tan, every dollar, every cent. Worth it for the memories made, but for the last. We trade, no schedule, no race. Just brothers finding their own space. Windows down, music loud, leaving all the noise behind. Looking for a little piece, the kind that's hard to find. One by one, the convo grew, familiar faces coming through. A wave, a laugh, a handshake made the kind of bonds that never fade. A highway stretched beyond our sight. Everything was feeling right, the world seemed bigger than before. As we headed toward the shore,
we riding to the rising sun, through every storm and still as one. The ocean calls, the wild wind sings. These are the moments that life brings. No matter where the road may bend, a brotherhood that never ends. Through every mile and every year, TP Trapper always here. We rode through rain, we rode through light, shared every morning, every night. And when the world keeps moving on, these memories will carry on. Have faith, the stars remain. We'll meet the road and ride again. Another year, another ride, another story with the tide. The waves roll softly to the shore, like they've done 1,000 times before. And when the next adventure calls, we'll answer like we always do.